today's hero, Mr. Sitaraman, and my dear colleagues. As you all are aware that today we have assembled here to bid farewell to our beloved colleague, Mr. Sitaramanji, who is superannuating today after completion of 33 years, 25 days, unblemished service in this great organization, which is known as First Swadeshi Bank of India. It has a great legacy. It has introduced several innovative products and services in this banking industry. Earlier, we used to do the banking of M, and now also we are doing the banking of M. So what does it mean? Earlier we used to do manual banking, today we are doing mobile banking. Earlier we used to do D-banking, and today also we are doing the D-banking. Desk banking to digital banking. Earlier we used to tie the chain on gate for security reason, and today we are moving towards blockchain technology for the security reason, to strengthen our security structure. So in this entire journey, you must have seen that the countless centralites like Mr. Sitaraman have contributed immensely. Had they not contributed, this journey would have not been possible. See, any organization is not just built on the bricks and mortars. It is created through three key pillars, and these three key pillars are passion that inspires, perseverance or determination that ignites, and third thing, people who transform. So in the entire journey of Central Bank of India, the role and contribution of the countless centralites like Mr. Sitaraman have been very, very significant. Let me tell you. Friends, in the Gettysburg speech delivered by Abraham Lincoln, it is a famous speech, where the idea of democracy was evolved. Abraham Lincoln said that this democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. In that particular speech, he highlighted one important thing, and that thing was, the world will not remember anything what you say, but this world will never forget what you did here. In the light of this quotation of Abraham Lincoln, if you see the contribution of Mr. Sitaraman, and I fully agree with you all, whatever the qualities you have highlighted of Mr. Sitaraman, it is totally true. I found him very hard-working person, punctual person, sincere person, and he is very helpful to you all. I have found one day that he was sitting outside at sharp 6. So I asked him jokingly, did you stay here at night? Because that time I was going for a walk. So such type of commitment, such type of dedication, certainly it is immensely helpful to become any organization a great organization. So I express my sincere thanks and gratitude for giving the support and contribution for timely completion of our work, because you must be knowing that the nature of work of SSB Chennai is totally different. It is like a shop of vada pav. If you are not able to sell those items, those things will be perished. If you are failed to submit your returns on time, then certainly you will be penalized. In addition to that, reputational loss will also be there. Several times we have overcome such difficult or adverse situation, and in the process of overcoming this difficult situation, the contribution of Mr. Sitharaman has been immensely significant. Life is the balance of opposites, sunrise and sunset, setbacks and comeback, beginning and ending. In the similar way, we feel joy that from tomorrow a new chapter will be started in the life of Mr. Sitharaman, yet sorrow that the emptiness he lives. Anyhow, this is the natural cycle of our working life. Everybody has to experience this situation one or other day. Only thing I would like to suggest Mr. Sitharaman, please take care about your health, wealth, and develop the attitude of Sthit Prajna. What is the meaning of Sthit Prajna? If you expect nothing and accept everything, your life becomes meaningful and miracle. So on behalf of all the staff members, on my personal behalf, I wish him all the very best, Mr. Sitharaman ji. Lead a healthy and good life and be in touch with us. As Mr. Hariharan said, sometimes you come here for timely submission of our returns. Thank you very much. All the very best.